Hello, wanderers. Welcome to your favorite channel, the Traveling Kangaroo. We are your passport to the world, sharing travel insights, tips, and fascinating facts about destinations near and far. Our aim is to inspire your inner explorer, to fuel your wanderlust, and to help you discover the beauty, culture, and history that our wonderful world has to offer. Today, we'll hop our way into the heartland of America, the beautiful state of Iowa. Stick around to know what Iowa is famous for. Iowa is synonymous with corn, but do you know why? This state is a powerhouse when it comes to corn production, contributing a substantial chunk to the nation's supply. It's not just about quantity, though. The quality of Iowa's corn is renowned far and wide. Moreover, the annual Corn Festival is a testament to the state's love affair with this golden grain. It's a celebration of everything corn, from food to arts and culture. Indeed, Iowa takes its corn very seriously. Next up, we land in Des Moines, known as the food capital of the world. This vibrant city is a smorgasbord of culinary delights where every corner introduces you to a new flavor, a new dish, a new experience. The diverse food culture of Des Moines is a melting pot of traditions, with a dash of innovation that keeps the food scene alive and kicking. From the hearty Iowa-style pizza, laden with a unique combination of toppings, to the rich and creamy Maid-Rites, a loose meat sandwich that's a local favorite, the city has a dish for every palate. And let's not forget the vibrant food festivals that turn the city into a gastronomic carnival. The World Food and Music Festival is a feast for your senses, offering an array of international cuisines, live music, and cooking demonstrations. So, foodies, Des Moines is your paradise waiting to be explored. On your journey through Iowa, don't miss the world's biggest truck stop. You might think it's just a place to fill up your tank, but this truck stop is more than that. It's a bustling mini-city with a cinema, museum, barbershop, and even a chapel. It serves over 2 million visitors annually, making it a hub of activity 24/7. It's not your average rest stop, it's a unique slice of Americana you won't find anywhere else. It's not just a pit stop, it's an experience. Let's delve into the rich Native American history that Iowa is known for. Long before the Europeans set foot here, the fertile lands of Iowa were inhabited by various native tribes, including the Iowa, the Sioux, and the Meskwaki. Their cultures, deeply rooted in nature, have left an indelible mark on Iowa's identity. The Iowa, from whom the state gets its name, were known as the Sleepy Ones, not for their lack of activity, but for their peaceful demeanor. The Sioux, on the other hand, were renowned for their warrior spirit and hunting prowess. The Meskwaki, also known as the Red Earth people, still maintain a settlement in Tama County today, keeping their traditions alive for future generations. Historical sites like the Blood Run National Historic Landmark and the Effigy Mounds National Monument serve as silent witnesses to these tribes' rich history and cultural legacy. Iowa is a treasure trove of history that takes you back in time. Did you know Iowa is also known as the Hawkeye State? This nickname, a tribute to Black Hawk, the Sauk tribal leader who resisted European American settlement, was adopted in the early 19th century, even before Iowa became a state. It was a move by two local newspaper editors, James G. Edwards and Judge David Rohrer, to foster a sense of unity and pride among the settlers. The Hawkeye nickname isn't just a historical footnote, it's woven into the fabric of Iowa's culture. From the University of Iowa's sports teams, known as the Hawkeyes, to the Hawkeye Point, the state's highest geographical location, the name is a constant reminder of the state's history and resilience. It sticks on the tongues of locals and visitors alike, bringing to life the spirit of the state in its literature, arts, and daily conversations. So, whether it's through sports, geography, or everyday chatter, Iowa, the Hawkeye State, truly lives up to its name. We've reached the end of our journey through Iowa, but not without a couple more interesting facts. Let's not forget the thrill of the Iowa Speedway, a heart-racing venue offering some of the most exciting motor races in the country. This place is a testament to Iowa's love for speed and exhilaration. And how can we skip over the legendary John Wayne? Born in Winterset, Iowa, this iconic Hollywood star is a symbol of Iowa's contribution to the world of cinema. The John Wayne Birthplace Museum is a must-visit for all movie buffs out there. Let's also take a quick detour to Cedar Rapids, known as the City of Five Seasons. This vibrant city is the cultural and arts hub of Iowa, filled with museums, art galleries, and theaters that are sure to pique your interest. Last, but certainly not least, is the American Gothic House in Eldon. This iconic house was the backdrop for Grant Wood's famous 1930 painting, American Gothic. It's a piece of American history right here in the heartland of Iowa. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey we've taken today. From the endless cornfields to the bustling food capital, from the world's biggest truck stop to the rich Native American history, and to the spirited Hawkeye State itself, Iowa is a state that truly has it all. It's a place that surprises you at every turn with its charm, history, and vibrant culture. We've only scratched the surface of what Iowa has to offer, and there's so much more to discover. Each city, each town, each corner of this state has its own story to tell. And remember, every journey begins with a single hop. Thank you for joining Traveling Kangaroo on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media to stay updated on our next adventures. Visit our website travelingkangaroo.com to explore more. Until next time, keep hopping and keep exploring.